physics with me. Hope all are doing good. Yes, so today we'll start with a fresh topic, which is pipes and cistern. So this topic is closely related to time and work concepts. So once you are thorough with time and work concepts, you can easily crack these questions. Okay. So today we'll see what is the basic difference between time and work questions and pipes and cistern, and then we'll get into some basic questions. So in upcoming videos we'll go to next level questions. Okay. So by the end of this video, I want you all to be very clear of the basics of pipes and cistern. Okay, so those who have missed any of the time and work video, I will provide you the link in the description box. We have almost covered 10 videos, okay, 10 different sessions for time and work, so that you can click on it and watch it. Okay, let's start with understanding the meaning of the topic. So I hope you all know what is pipe, right? Cistern, it is nothing but something that is used to store water or liquid or solution, whatever it is. Okay, so you can just imagine of a tank. So this is not like a tank, I do agree, but do imagine. Okay, so two important terms that is closely related to pipes and cistern topic is inlet and outlet. So from the term itself you can understand, inlet is something that is letting water or solution, whatever it is, inside the tank. And outlet is nothing but that is taking water from the tank. That means this is filling the tank, whereas this is emptying the tank. Right? Yes. So in time and work we use the concept WET, right, which is work efficiency and time. Here the work is nothing but to fill the tank. Okay, so this is doing a positive kind of work, right? Filling the tank is what our work is. So this is doing a positive work, whereas this is doing a negative work because it is emptying the tank. Clear? So this is what the basic difference between time and work and pipes and cistern. In time and work we have looked into concept only with positive work, right? Whereas here you have both positive and negative work. So in questions you will have to read this carefully and then answer it. Okay, so now we will directly get into basics. Okay, some basic questions, solve it, and then we will go to next level questions. Okay, now we will have a small comparison between time and work and pipes and cistern. Okay, so in time and work, W represents work and E for efficiency and T for time. Here work is nothing but filling the tank, okay, or else you can say it as capacity of tank. Alright, because to its capacity only you can fill the tank. So work is nothing but filling the tank. And efficiency means pipe A, pipe B, pipe C they will give. So based on that you will find the efficiency. In how much hours it will fill the tank, okay. And T is nothing but the time taken to fill the tank. So it will be represented in days and minutes in, days and hours in time and work. Here hours or minutes they will give. So based on the question we will answer. Okay, now we will directly get into questions. Let's start with the first question. Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 hours and 45 hours respectively. So A in 36 hours and B in 45 hours respectively. Okay. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, how much time will be taken to fill the tank? So here it is only of positive work. How do I say that? Because they say both A and B fills the tank, right? There is no emptying of tank or leakage said in this question. So only positive work is done. Okay. So how you will proceed you will see. Okay. So as usual write here as WET. Okay. Just for a clear understanding. So in time and work question, what is the first step we do? We find total work. Here we will find the total capacity of the tank. Okay, how do we do? By finding the LCM for this both. Alright? Yes. So 36 and 45, you can go with L division. Okay. So 3 table. 3 2s are 6, 3 1 and 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 63s are 180. So into 4, here into 5. So efficiency is nothing but efficiency of A is 5 and B is 4. So what is our question? If they are opened simultaneously, that means both are working together, in how much time they'll fill? So total efficiency is 9. So work wait concept. So time taken only. So T is equal to W by E, right? So here total work is 180 by efficiency is 9. 9 2s are 18. So 20 hours. Clear? Yes. See the next question. Pipe A can fill a tank in 5 hours. Pipe A can fill a tank in 5 hours. Pipe B in 10 hours, which means it also fills, okay? And C in 30 hours. So C 30 hours. So all the three is doing positive work because they are filling the tank. If all the pipes are open, in how many hours will the tank be filled? So those who have seen first question can try to solve it by yourself. It is very easy, but the difference is you have 3 persons, right? Sorry, 3 pipes. So as usual proceed, what you will do? Find the LCM to find the total work or capacity of the tank, okay? So the LCM is 30, okay? So 30 by 5 is 6. 10 3s are 30. 30 by 30 is 1. Or else you can find efficiency by work by time. That is how we have found. Okay. So work is 30 by time is 5, which is 30 by 5, which is 6. Okay. This is how you will have to find the efficiency. Clear? So now they are opened simultaneously, which means per hour total efficiency of all the three is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the time taken to fill the tank? So total work is 30, 30 by 10, which is equal to 3 hours. So this is the time taken by them to fill the tank. I use the concept of weight, okay? So here you want time. Time is equal to work by efficiency. So work is 30 and efficiency is 10. So 3 hours they will take to complete the work. Clear? See the next question. 2 pipes can fill a tank in 10 hours and 12 hours respectively. So let us consider it to be A and B. Okay, 10 hours and 12 hours they can fill the tank. Okay. Yes. While a third pipe empties the full tank in 20 hours. So this is doing negative work. Clear? Whereas A and B is doing positive work. If all the 3 pipes operate simultaneously, in how much time will the tank be filled? So this is what you will have to read the question carefully, I am saying. Because this is emptying the tank, which is doing negative work. So how to proceed, I will tell you. As usual, the first step is find the LCM for all these 3. So the LCM is 60, alright? So 10 6 are 60, 12 5s are 60, 23s are 60. Okay, since it is doing negative work, you represent it by negative sign. Okay, so that you will not forget it. Clear? You find the efficiency and represent it by negative symbol. Clear? Now all 3 are working together. Right? That means all 3 are opened simultaneously. So their efficiency is 6, 5 and minus 3. So, when all 3 are open simultaneously, what is the time taken here? They are asking. So, add this. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Right? So, 8 is the total efficiency when they are opened simultaneously. Please don't forget this negative sign. Okay? Yes. So, find the time taken. Time is equal to work by efficiency. So, work is 60 by efficiency is 8. So you can go with division method, okay? 8 sevens are 56. So 7, 4 by 8 or 7, 1 by 2 you can write. Or else 7 has 30 minutes. So whatever is your option you can choose that. Clear? 7 means 7 hours and half means is nothing but minutes, okay? So 30 minutes you can write it. Clear? See the next question. 2 pipes A and B can fill a tank in 36 minutes and 45 minutes respectively. So A can fill it in 36 minutes and B can fill it in 45 minutes. Okay. Don't bother about minutes and hours because if everything is given in single unit, you can use that unit for your answer. Okay. A water pipe C can empty the tank in 30 minutes. Okay. So this is doing negative work. Okay. First A and B are opened. After 7 minutes C is also opened. In how much time the tank is full? So understand the question carefully. Here A and B is filling the tank and C is emptying the tank. So these two are doing positive work and this is doing negative work. Clear? Then they are saying A and B are opened for first 7 minutes and after 7 minutes C is also opened. Okay. So what is the total time taken to fill the tank? So understand the question carefully. Now how will we proceed? I'll tell you. As usual, find the LCM. So LCM is 180, right? Previously only we saw these numbers. So 180. So 36 5s are 180, 45 4s are 180 and 36 are 180. Clear? So efficiency, write it separately here. So efficiency of A is 5, B is 4 and C is minus 6. Okay? Because it is doing negative work. Now what they are saying, A and B are opened for 7 minutes. So A's efficiency and B's efficiency alone will take. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 into 7. 9 7s are 63. So this means that this much work units is completed by A and B in first 7 minutes. Clear? So total work is 180 in which A and B together they did 63 units. 117. So the remaining units to be filled inside the tank is 117 units. Okay. Now this is done by A, B and C together. Right? Because C is now opened. After 7 minutes it is opened. Okay. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. So its efficiency is 3. Now you will have to find the time taken to fill the tank. So 117 divided by 3. This is nothing but work and this is but efficiency. So if you do, you will find the time taken by them to fill the tank, right? So 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, right? So 39 is your answer. Am I right? No. Because our question is find the time taken to fill the tank, which means the total time taken. 39 minutes is nothing but the time taken by A, B and C alone. So first 7 minutes we haven't calculated it, right? So we'll have to add that 7 to this 39. So 39 plus 7 which is 46 minutes. So this is the time taken by them to fill the tank. Clear? Now we'll go with the last and final question which is quite similar to the previous one. So you'll have a clear understanding, okay? Two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 minutes and 20 minutes respectively. So A in 15 minutes and B in 20 minutes respectively, okay? Both the pipes are open together but after 4 minutes pipe A is turned off. What is the total time required to fill the tank? So that also you'll have to read it carefully whether they are asking for total time or the time taken by the particular person. Okay. Sorry, particular pipe. Now as usual proceed. Okay. Find the LCM. LCM is 60. So 15 4s is 60. 23 is 60. Right. Now what they are saying, A and B are opened for first 4 minutes. So first write their efficiency. 4 and 3. So first 4 minutes A and B are opened. So the work done by them we'll have to find. So 4 into efficiency is 7 which is equal to 28 units. Okay. So this is what completed by A and B in first 4 minutes. So the total work is 60 in which 28 is done by A and B in first 4 minutes. So the remaining is 32 units. This 32 units is done by B alone because A is turned off after 4 minutes they are saying. So this 32 minutes is done by B means B's efficiency is 3. Right? So how will you find the time? Time is equal to work by efficiency. So divide. 32 divided by 3. 3 times are 30. Remaining is 2. So 10, 2 by 3. So this is the time taken by B to complete the work. But see, this 10 represents minutes and 2 by 3 represents seconds, right? Because our question is in minutes. So this is nothing but minutes and 2 by 3 is seconds. So in order to convert this to a round figure, how will you do? In order to convert it to minutes, so 10 into 2 by 3 or 10 minutes you take it away, okay? 2 by 3 into 60. If you do, you'll get the whole number, right? So 3 20 so 60, 40. So 10 minutes and 40 seconds is taken by B to complete the remaining work or the to fill the tank, remaining part of tank. But our question is, what is the total time taken? So previously the time taken by A and B is 4 and now it is 10 minutes and 40 seconds. So 10 plus 4 is 14 minutes and 40 seconds. Now I hope you are all clear with this question. Yes? I have one more question for you to solve. So try to solve it by yourself and post your answers in the comment box. Okay. So I hope you are all clear with the basics of pipes and system that we have discussed in this session. So try practicing more questions which are basics. Okay. In next video we'll go with next level of question. So if you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And please do subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for all the support given. Keep supporting. So thank you.